Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family, you guys. The AIA Beauty Bundle in here is here, and y'all, a hair care brand that I absolutely love. It is called Beach Waver Company. Y'all, I have tried it out. Y'all know what to do. I'll see y'all in a minute. Tell you what I think about it. Alright, guys. Down there somewhere, I'm going to have a video playing of me actually using the shampoo and conditioner in this line. And, oh, y'all, when I tell you the essence, the fragrance, oh, it smelled absolutely fabulous. Fabulous. It smelled so good. It smells like coconuts and like summer days and just, I loved it. I loved it so very much, the smell. Now, as I go through, you're watching me shampoo and condition my hair in the shower. Yes, I was in the shower doing it. I have a waterproof phone. Thank you so much, hubby. Y'all, there's not many moisturizing conditioners that I can use. I mean, your girl has a tremendous amount of hair. And I'm just going to let you guys listen to what I had to say after I used the conditioner in this. Like, yeah, wow. So here it is, the moisturizing shampoo and moisturizing conditioner. Y'all, I absolutely loved this. My hair felt so clean after I shampooed it, as you all see down there. And then when I went to use the conditioner, I was able to run my fingers through after like 2 minutes of letting it sit in my hair. And then it rinsed completely clean. There was no residue left on my hair. And then afterwards, you'll see I come in the room and I go ahead and I blow dry it all. And now I'll play the video where it shows me blow drying my hair and then what I had to say about after I did it. Here it is. Okay, loves, I don't have any makeup on or anything yet, but I have got to show you the final results from blow drying my hair. First, look at this. It is so light. Like, wow. Like I obviously just blew dry my hair. You've seen that. But usually there's like a heaviness, especially if I don't dry it completely all the way. The hair will be semi-damp, blah, blah, blah. You guys, my hair feels soft. It's smooth. I mean, look, there is no frizz. That's one of the first things that I noticed. There is no frizz in my hair. Y'all, I have a lot of hair. But the shampoo and conditioner, you guys, I'm loving. Loving. Yeah, I love this stuff. I literally just sprayed a little bit of heat protectant on my hair right before I blow dried my hair. It is still just smooth as can be. There is no frizz. My hair still feels so light and just so airy. Like, y'all, I'm loving it. Loving it. Now, the moisturizing shampoo and conditioner are both $20 a piece. And then they also sent this purple shampoo, which I didn't use because I had the moisturizing shampoo, which my hair really needed the moisture. This is $28. Now, I do use a purple shampoo on my hair once a week, which I had already done it this week on Monday. Today is Thursday. So that's why I didn't want to use another purple shampoo. It's just not good for my hair to double up on it during the week. So I used the moisturizing shampoo. Oh my, I can't get over how good it felt, y'all. It felt amazing. Now, they did also send this dry shampoo. This is $26. Now, for those that don't know what dry shampoo is, a lot of my viewers don't, is when your hair gets oily or you're like in the middle of the week and you know, you don't really think that you need to get in the shower and shampoo and conditioner and all that stuff to your hair. You just spray a little bit of this along the roots of your hair here, lift it up, go in between, and then just go like that. And it brings all those oils out, gives that light fluff back to your hair. Again, this is, I believe, is $26 or $28. Let me double check. The dry shampoo is $26. The dry shampoo is $26. Then they also sent the heat protectant hairspray. So, heat protectant hairspray. You would want to use this when you curl your hair or when you straighten your hair. Now, I did not use this because I only straighten my hair when it's extremely frizzy. That's the only time frizzy. That's the only time I will straighten my hair. Now, when I curl my hair, yes, I'm going to try this out when I actually curl my hair because it has the heat protectant on it. My heating rod gets up to 410 degrees, and that's the only way I can keep the curls on my hair is to get it that hot and then let it set with the cool. So I'm very excited to try this hairspray that has the heat protectant in it. This here is $26. Let me double check for you guys. The hairspray is $28. The dry shampoo is $26. The purple shampoo is $26. And then the moisturizing conditioner and shampoo is $20 a piece. I love this hair care line, you guys. The actual name of it is called Beach Waver Company. This line is called Good Vibes, including the purple shampoo. It is called Be Right Back BRB Blonde. That is cute. This also has shea butter in it, which is another amazing, wonderful moisturizer. And then the dry shampoo and the heat protectant hairspray. Y'all, I am super excited to try these. I do use a dry shampoo. I only wash my hair once, at most twice a week. So I'm excited for this dry shampoo, you guys. That's it, my loves, except now what I've seen is that Beach Waver Company actually has a subscription that you can sign up for. And if you use code AIA, I'll put it right there, AIA, you can save 50% on your first subscription. But you have to follow that up with a paid month. So you go in, get your first subscription 50% off, and then your next month you'll be charged full charge. I am not going to sign up for a monthly shampoo and hair conditioner and all that types of good stuff, y'all, because I have so much of it. I do. I really do. I have the Red Kim that I have with her that I actually really loved. The Sexy Hair over there I really, really loved. And now this Beach Wave Company that I really, really loved. So I will not be signing up for you. So if any of y'all do, please let me know. And let me know, like, I always worry about the different textures and stuff in our hair from summer to winter, yada, yada. My texture in my hair changes. And when I'm out in the sun, my hair will lighten a lot. And that's why I use the purple shampoo. So if any of y'all sign up for it, let me know how it goes. Let me know if you got this AIA bundle this month, and let me know what y'all think about it. That is it, my loves. Your girl will see you in the next video.